Sila lang talaga yung pinunta.
Sila lang talaga yung pinunta. Buti hindi nagising yung mga bagets. Oh my God. Wala, tapos na.
Wala na talaga?
Wala na.
Hindi, ads lang yan. Meron pa.
Ads lang, wala na, nagbabay na. Ay, ganyan yung feeling ko pag after ng concert nila. Tapos na. Ayan na, ayan na. Meron pa. Interview. Beep, may susaan ba dito sa likod? May susaan ba dito?
Saksak. Meron yan.
Mag-charge ako. Lubat na ako. Hindi.
Ano yung channel?
Ito pa may type C ako dito. Kaya lang parang magbibideo. Teka lang. May baby.
In Chicago today at Lollapalooza. Of course, we feel pressure with representing not only our group but also our country, Philippines, and the global stage. Seeing our fans today here at Lollapalooza, we feel very proud, and we can't believe that we're here performing in a lot of people, and we just can't believe that we're finally here doing our
Last na mo yata.
dreams together, performing in front of a lot of people, and it's something that we're very
Maliwanag na daw pala.
cherish forever with our team, with our group, and of course with our fans. No, you should be. And another thing to congratulate you guys on is Damn hit #1 on Billboard global single sales.
Woo!
You know that? Oh wow, Damn is #1.
Woo!
#1 on World Digital Song Sales. World Digital Sales. Oh, really? You guys didn't know that? Wow.
Yung e-bike ka. May full charge na yung bike.
Maliwanag na sa labas.
We're very surprised. Yeah, what do you know about that? Well, I was going to ask, is it something that you get to celebrate and enjoy in the moment, or is it something you have to kind of wait for and you get to look back
Thank you,
on?
B. I love you.
It's something that we really wish for. And right now that it's happening, we're just very
Charging.
honored and happy that everything is happening right now. Like performing in Lollapalooza, it's something
May pasok
that we
na
really
sila?
dreamed of. And yeah, I feel like
Saktong ganito.
it's our first time right here right now. It's our first time to perform in Lollapalooza. Like what I've said earlier, it's definitely not going to be the last one. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Does it ever surprise you guys? I mean, stepping foot on stage at a festival like Lollapalooza, to look out at the crowd and just see everyone singing every single word.
Your battery is at 20%. Please charge your phone.
Do you ever just kind of have to take a moment when you're on stage and be like, what is happening right now? Whenever I perform on stage, my headphones are. Yeah,
Ito ba yung bagong choreo ng Gento?
just enjoy the moment.
Instead.
It's crazy and amazing when we sing Filipino songs and the crowd.
Ano yan, ano yan?
Sabi niya, Aiden, ito daw ba yung bagong choreo? Yan yung pinutol nila.
Ay, oo.
Filipino words that, as an artist, from the Philippines, it's really
Hindi ko na video yan eh.
you say, mahal ko kayo. Mahal kayo ko. Mahal ko.
Mahal ko.
Kayo. Kayo. Yeah. Mahal ko kayo. Yeah. What does that mean? That means, I love you all. I love you all. Mahal ko kayo. Yeah. There you go. You have one of the most passionate fan bases in the world, the 18. Yeah, 18. Is there anything you want to say to them right here at Lollapalooza 2026? 18, thank you so much for all the love and support. Like, we'll cherish this.
Nakbaka hindi pala siya naka-record.
This will not happen because of you guys. So thank you so much for all the support.
Ngayon pa lang ako nag-i-start mag-record. Yung interview nila, hindi ko na-record nung nag-charging na. Oh my goodness. Hindi ko alam kung saan siya naputol.
But of course, for all the Viva Cruz and the OPM industry in the Philippines, this will not be the last and this will not be the first.
Baka nangyari ni Kahing tato ng
In the
gabi.
future, and again, thank you so much for your support.
Baka nangyari,
And see you
babae
on the
yan.
next one. We love you 18. We love you forever. There are a ton of incredible artists performing today. Does SB19 have a dream collab? Dream collab. Of course, I think all of us, we really wanted to have a collaboration with the one and only Bruno Mars. Since he's a half Filipino and he also dance and sing at the same time, I think doing a collaboration song with him
Bruno Mars talaga
Bruno
yun,
Mars
guys.
talaga. Pangarap nila si Bruno. Pero siguro meron na talaga silang nakaano dyan.
Oo,
Kay Bruno
naka-ano
Mars,
na.
naka-line up na ano, no?
Feeling ko din.
What's next for SB19? What's next for SB19? World domination.
Bibiglayin na lang tayo mga 18 yan.
Two-word answer, that's it. Yeah. World domination. Are there any other artists that are playing Lollapalooza today that you guys are excited to see? Oh my god, I'm excited to see Olivia Dean. Yeah. And Zara Larson. Of course, I want to see Cornish. Also, Cornish. Artists that you're looking forward to perform. Artists.
Maingay kasi.
Yeah, here. Party of two. Party of two and From XS. Lucy, Young Blood. Oh, yes. Yeah. Jenny, Charlie.
How the friendly ako.
Tonight, yeah. Gentlemen, thank you so much for being here. Congratulations on everything.
Siyempre nga, si Pam.
Thank you so much.
Sinagot.
In Lollapalooza 2026. I'm Travis Mills. We'll see you in a little bit. SB19, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, everyone.
Totoo na to, wala na. Ano kaya yung, hindi ko na video, nakaka